NUP,
Abos,
NUP,
Dio,
NUP,
everybody,
NUP,
NUP,
everywhere.
Dr. Kanabi.
Our power.
People power.
NUP.
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
NUP,
Agago.
NUP,
Acholi.
NUP,
Kalong.
NUP,
Patong.
NUP,
Even here.
NUP,
Everywhere.
NUP, belong.
Yes.
Another talk, guys. People power.
Our power.
People power.
Our power.
People power.
Our power.
Our power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
NUP.
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
NUP,
In Acholi.
NUP,
In Agago.
NUP,
In Kalong.
NUP,
In Patong.
NUP,
Adelang.
NUP,
Everywhere.
NUP,
Even here.
NUP,
Lubanga Ken.
NUP,
Abalo.
NUP,
Abalo.
NUP,
Basoga.
NUP,
Moses.
NUP.
Symbol that will come our party symbol, which is the umbrella. Hold it high with a lot of pride. Thank you. Another one.
The right honorable speaker. The speaker of Adilan. Sub-county. Right now he's coming to contest as the chairperson 3 at La Perebong sub-county.
Wow. So as you gather out your campaigns,
He was an NRM as well.
okay, you move with this umbrella to associate you with the National Unity Platform. Thank you for joining us.
Graciano.
Okay. Well, as Fiero, you are most welcome to the National Unity Platform. I give you our party symbol. Not to keep it in your house, but to move with it wherever you go. And for your campaign. When you hit the train, move with the umbrella.
Let me also welcome Jobin from the... Yes.
I welcome you to the National Platform. This is our symbol. Always carry our symbol high up there with pride. Thank you.
Doctor, NRM of Aliba was decided to join us as well.
Wow. Thank you very much. Thank you.
First of all, can I show this one?
Yes.
How do you think it is?
I welcome you to the National Unity Platform. This is our symbol. Everywhere move with our symbol. Thank you.
Police account.
Thank you very much for making the right choice to join the National Unity Platform. I hand over our party symbol, always carry it wherever you go. I have only 2 left.
Dress bench.
Yes.
He's coming to Councillor in the Parabon sub-county.
Wow.
Former NRM as well, but she has decided to join us.
Okay. Thank you very much for making the right choice. I give you our party symbol. Wherever you go, carry this symbol. It will make you different. I would like to give this one to the lady also.
Since 2012.
Sure.
Yes.
Wow. Thank you for remaining steadfast in our struggle. I give you our party symbol. Always carry it with pride wherever you go on the campaign trail. So Richard, this is our party symbol. Richard, welcome to the National Unity Platform. Hold it high with pride wherever you go. And you don't hold it, get someone to hold it for you. This umbrella. And you don't hold it yourself. Get someone to hold it. A foot soldier wearing our overall, red overall, with a beret to hold the umbrella for you because you were leader. Okay? So you are a member of the National Unity Platform, and this is our symbol. You are most welcome to the National Unity Platform. Yes. Another one. Movement. That Ugandans get the responsibility to liberate this country. So every change-seeking agent should join the People Power movement. Then the People Power movement has a political sun. Its political sun is the National Unity Platform. That if you are to change the country through politics, they will bring the National Unity Platform. Where we have to liberate the country through other means, the People Power movement remains. You get it? So it's incumbent on us as the current generation to liberate this country. I thank the efforts you've made to establish structures. Jogo came and established the district structure and constituency structures. Okay? Those who are charged with the responsibility of going down to establish the sub-county structures. We've tried to facilitate, although we've had some problems. Bakenyi knows them, but those are minor operational challenges in Kitgum that we are going to sort out. Okay? Good enough, the party decided to establish a sub-regional office in Kitgum to easily coordinate party activities in East Acholi. The issues we are going to sort out. I thank all of you who have joined. I don't know whether you've gotten the party cards. Have they gotten party cards? And I've heard that there are many more who want to join. Do you have enough party cards to leave them? No. We are going to leave you with party cards. And how many of you are going away? That is treating symptoms. First ask yourself, who brought them? Who brought them? Now, can the person who brought them, because these people were chased from Tanzania by Kikwete, former president of Tanzania, chased them away. Instead of going where they had come from, this one opened the gates. They entered here. Now they are disturbing all communities, grabbing land. That is deceiving you that is taking them back. Back where? So we need to work hard. Change this. I thank you for projecting a good image of our party, good image of our movement.